Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching.
Hey, lonely, sorry, but I'm leaving you, my friend. Don't owe me, on my back and teasing me.
So to start off this look, I took the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Amber, and I blended it out with an A30 brush by Anastasia. This foundation is pretty matte, so it's perfect if you have oily or combination skin like I do. Next, to contour, I took the Stick Foundation by Anastasia as well in the shade Walnut on the Anastasia A18 brush and blended that out. To make sure everything blended nice and seamlessly, I just took a wet beauty blender and went over the lines just to make sure there's no harsh edges. To highlight, I used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard and blended that out with my wet beauty blender. Just to bake my concealer a bit, I used the Makeup Revolution powder in Banana. To brighten up my face a bit, I used this blush trio by Anastasia called Berry Adore on an A19 brush. For brows, I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony, and I just realized this entire look was using only Anastasia products, so I guess I can stop saying that I'm using Anastasia products because that's all I used. So I guess it's a full face of Anastasia. But yeah, I just brush out my brows and then fill it in. This pencil makes it really easy because it's has a really fine tip. So yeah, I just did that. Pretty simple, and then I cleaned it up with concealer. I then took the clear brow gel and just set my eyebrows in place with that. So despite all of the negative reviews, I actually really like the Subculture palette. So I just took the color Fudge and put that in my crease and make sure it was really blended out well. This look is pretty easy. I just used 2 colors and a liner. So I just started with the brown and kind of built that color up and made sure it was blended out really well. Next, I took the color Cube. It's a really pretty, like, light holographic pink color, and I put that all over my lids with a flat brush. I also popped that into my inner corners just to brighten up my eyes. So next, I just did a quick winged liner. I used the NYC liquid liner. It's like the only one I use. It's my holy grail. Now I just popped on my false lashes, and then I took the Benefit They're Real mascara and just blended my real lashes into the false ones. Next, for my lower lash line, I used the color All Star, and I've packed that on with a flat brush, and then I kind of blended it out with a fluffy brush. So last but not least, to finish off the eyes, I used the Scandalize waterproof black pencil by Rimmel, and then I just finished it off with my mascara on my bottom lashes. Next, I used this perfect red liquid lipstick in the color Sarafine. And last but not least, to highlight, I used the Amrezy highlighter. I love this highlight. It's like my favorite at the moment. I think it looks really pretty on every skin tone. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. So that completes the finished look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!